Welcome back, guys. Today was very amazing, right? Today was really amazing. It was terrifying at the same time. It was amazing, right? I wasn't planning on making a video right now until probably the weekly analysis, right? But a beginner that I very well know, right? There's this beginner that I know, alright. He has been calling me, then I've been giving him some advices and stuff. He called me today that he made 20k from the 714 method. Then I was just happy. I don't know what to do. I was just happy, so I had to just try my best and do what and make this video for you guys. This trade was amazing, right? As you can see, this trade was amazing. And before most of you guys already come and tell me that, oh, then you did not use the 714 method because you was already in a trade before the 714 method. So let me just explain this to you, right? It's just a very simple thing. So I don't know if you can see this that much well, but I'll try and explain it from these two set of screens, right? I'll try and explain it for you so that you understand it much better, right? So as you can see, this screen right here was my weekly analysis, right? So the analysis I'll be doing for this whole week, I'll do it on this screen right here, right? And this is where I execute my trades, simple as that. So it's very simple, right? So now when you look at this, you realize that it looks similar, right? When you look at this right here and you look at this right here, you can see some sort of similarity in it, right? So this whole place right here, this whole trend, that's the weekly, the daily trend. I analyzed everything to be in a very nice sell. So when we are in a nice sell, during your top-down analysis, you guys should know that top-down analysis is very important, right? So during your top-down analysis, you have to come from either weekly to daily to 4 hour then to 1 hour time frame, right? So it's a very simple thing. So the weekly to daily to 4 hour time frame, you were in a very nice downtrend, pretty much simple. So when you come to the 1 hour time frame, you end up realizing that this right here was our Fibonacci retracement 61% level, and right here was it. This was it right here. You can see the similarities, right? So around this level, you could have gotten into the trade. That was where the day started. That was around here. You could see I marked over there. We are going to drop, right? So we drop to this level, consolidate for a little while. I don't know whether you guys can see that much. We consolidated for a little while around this level right here. Then we drop again, right? So that was why I was already inside the trade, because I know for sure that the 714 method was going to do what? It was going to respect the trend. It wasn't going to go against the trend because the trend was too powerful for it to go against it, right? Even if the 714 method, we were in a downtrend, I would have told you guys to do what? Find a fair value gap, because price would have given you that. Then it will retrace to it and do what? And drop, right? Very simple. So as you can see, this was how it was. A very simple trade. Now you can see that on my weekly on my weekly analysis, I have down here a buy, right? So price hasn't reached there yet, but as you can see, my TP was already hit. My first TP was actually here, and as you already know, I was already in a trade right before we reached this 61% level right here. Then I got out of the trade because there was this consolidation, so I got out just waiting for price to retrace into this fair value gap right here. So this right here was a fair value gap. And as you can see, price actually retraced into it, but just a little bit. We came into it right here, then we dropped. So when we went through this, I wasn't going to wait. I was going to enter into my trade, and there you go. Pretty much simple as that, right? It's just a simple thing. You just have to understand, and you guys should learn top-down analysis, right? So that was just a very simple as that. No big deal, right? You are just going to enter into your trade and you go. If you did not actually get this trade, or if you do not know that we are going to drop after this level right here, you could have used the 714 method, right? Now let's go to the 714 method and let me show you guys what you could have done. Now look at it. So when we look at it on the 5-minute time frame, you can equally see that we have the most simplest trend, right? The most simplest trend, which is the triangle trend. That's the most simplest trend you can get with the 714 method. And this trend, it doesn't joke. When you get it, know that you are a winner at that moment, right? You are going to win. It's going to go like very nice for you, right? So it was just a very simple thing. He actually got it around this level. When he saw this, he just entered into his trade. When he saw this, he entered into his trade, kept his stop loss here. as I've always been telling you guys, pretty much simple. Now, I was already in a trade inside this 714 method around somewhere here. When price retraced to this level, I got into the trade, right? Pretty much simple. So you could have been in this trade. You shouldn't have stressed yourself. It's just a very simple thing, and you could have followed us all the way down. Now, just look at this trade. Just look at this trade. You realize that it was marvelous. I mean, it was marvelous, right? A lot of people have gotten it. I know a lot of people have gotten it, and the 714 method has actually put smile on a lot of people's faces, right? So please, just remember one thing. This is what you are missing if you don't subscribe, right? Every single day, this is what you are going to be missing. Now, this wasn't actually the only trade that I entered during the day, right? And I've always find it weird if I tell people that I can enter into like 10, 15 trades within a day, and they find it difficult to understand, right? I'll be making a video about that on how many trades should you enter in a day, right? So you try your best and check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.